Introducing the Waldent all-in-one touchscreen intraoral camera system, a powerful desktop solution engineered for modern dental practice. An adjustable mounting clamp is included for secure, stable chairside installation. A high-efficiency power adapter is included. The built-in high-definition USB 3.0 intraoral camera delivers sharp, detailed clinical imaging for accurate diagnosis and enhanced patient communication. The internal camera has a capture button, a mode switch, image up and down buttons, and a home button. The camera features a stretchable and flexible wire, ensuring effortless handling and comfortable access around the patient. A heavy-duty power cord for continuous clinical use is included, along with disposable sleeves for infection control and hygiene. A detailed user manual provides complete guidance on installation, operation, software usage, and maintenance. The premium all-in-one touchscreen system features a sleek 23.8-inch Full HD display, delivering wide viewing angles. The rear panel contains speaker ports, 2 audio ports, 3.5mm, USB ports, DC power input, Ethernet, VGA, and an HDMI port. The side panel contains 2 USB ports and a power button. The ergonomic monitor mounting arm is engineered for stable support and smooth positioning. The VISA mounting plate is precisely aligned and secured to the mounting arm. The plate is firmly locked using industrial-grade Allen bolts and tightened with an Allen key to ensure complete stability. On the opposite end, the chair-side mounting clamp is attached to allow secure integration with a dental chair unit. The assembly is tightened with Allen bolts and neatly covered for a clean, professional clinical finish. The monitor mounting arm is securely attached to the dental chair, and Allen bolts are tightened with the Allen key to ensure stable, ergonomic positioning. The Waldent all-in-one PC is then mounted onto the VISA plate, fastened with screws and firmly secured using a screwdriver for a stable, reliable setup. The all-in-one PC offers 4-way adjustability, clockwise and counterclockwise rotation, tilt adjustment, upside-down rotation, and full rotation, allowing precise ergonomic alignment. An intraoral camera holder is attached to the rear of the all-in-one PC, ensuring stable and convenient camera placement. The intraoral camera is then connected to the PC, and the power supply is attached to complete the setup. The camera delivers high-sensitivity imaging with a 23.8-inch Full HD display and a high-performance i5 processor. The Waldent all-in-one PC streamlines patient record management, instant image editing, and contrast adjustments, providing real-time enhancement for precise clinical evaluation. It offers seamless clinical imaging, patient management, and reporting in a single compact unit. Comprehensive diagnostic tools are available within the system. Capture photos, record videos, and perform screen recordings effortlessly, ensuring thorough documentation of each procedure. Advanced controls allow zoom in, zoom out, auto fit, vertical flip, and horizontal flip. Video settings can be adjusted for resolution, encoder, brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, and sharpness, offering complete control over image quality. The Dentalcam software comes pre-installed on the system. Enter patient details, including name, age, contact number, address, and remarks to save a complete medical record efficiently. Open the same patient file from the patient list and begin the diagnostic process. Capture multiple high-definition images for thorough intraoral evaluation. Identify clinical conditions clearly, such as Class 1 dental anomalies, and use the tools to mark areas directly on the captured images with ease. Choose the language as English. You can personalize the report icon and select any image you want from your saved folders. You can personalize the name of your hospital and also choose your own report title. Images can be saved in JPG, BMP, and PNG formats and stored in the location of your choice for easy access. Choose images to include in the report, up to 4 per case. Add descriptions of symptoms and document the suggested treatment. Complete the report by confirming the entries. The document can be saved directly on the all-in-one PC at a location of your choice. A unique QR code is generated for both doctor and patient, enabling secure instant access to the report from any device like your phone or tablet. After diagnosing and completing the report, you can view the final report on your PC for ease of access. You can also print the report file. The all-in-one PC can also be used for patient convenience, allowing access to YouTube and Google to play educational videos, cartoons, movies, songs, etc., helping distract and comfort pediatric patients as well as adults during treatment. The Waldent all-in-one PC also supports RVG software installation, allowing additional images to be viewed instantly on the screen, making it a complete imaging solution and a must-have for a modern dental clinic. That's all about the Waldent all-in-one touchscreen intraoral camera. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.